Hi guys! For today's video is pupunta tayo sa Urawa Castle.
Hello guys! We are in Urawa Castle. Then, uwi na ako sa Hungary.
Ayun, yung church.
Ang aking mga little. Uy! 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 My baby! My baby Alice!
The model. Hi! We are here in Urawa Castle.
We are in Urawa Castle where Dracula is.
Did you see Dracula?
You see the movie, Olivia?
Yeah.
That castle.
Yeah.
There they shoot the Dracula.
Yeah.
Oh? Urawa Castle. Oh,
The
yan pala yung ano
shoot
ng
is
Dracula.
Here somewhere.
So next time when we come, we will take this biggest one ticket.
Yeah,
Yes.
It's 15 euro entrance for long.
yeah. So we,
She
Yeah.
says like 1.5 hours.
it's
Ito na yung
okay.
dalawa. Yes.
Oh, pag andito na sila.
We went to
This is
this one.
castle coins.
This.
Look at that tree.
Huh?
Yung tree na yan.
Waka waka
Inayos pala dito yung castle. Parang inayos pala nila.
Hmm.
Hindi na picture dito. Ay,
Urawa Castle.
astig kaayo.
Urawa Castle.
Ito na pala yung view ng castle.
Ahoy! Hello. Hello tourist. Hello tourist.
Hello! Meron!
What not to me?
Wow!
Okay.
Oh.
Urawa Castle coins.
Orabaski!
Rabaski, right. Kaya pala hindi na-accept.
350 euro. Leka.
What, 350?
350. That's my coins.
I'm not sure. I see go. Strike. Go. I will see that go.
The what?
Also go.
Boat?
Oh,
Where? Wow! Look at that. Too many lamp. Look at that. Yay! Look. Too many lamp. Sheep. Oh, sorry.
Too many sheep.
Sheep in the road. They're crossing in the road. Look.
Baby.
Ah, huh? Where you will drive? Where? No, they're going there forest. They go in forest. It's not wild. Look, look, look. Look, Oyo is making pee pee.
Dog, one dog, two dog.
Ah. There is. He make pee. We still have another
One,
dog.
two,
3,
dog.
4. Look. Huh? Look. Huh?
What dog was nice?
Look at the sky, blue and white. Yeah, look how amazing the view is. Oopsie. You wanna go in the sky? What you will do in the sky? Uh-huh.
And when you fall down in a plane, you can go in the clouds. You can sit down in the clouds now, right?
Look at the Oraba Lake. It's amazing. Oraba Lake. Look.
Want to go swim with them? Yes.
That's Oraba Lake.
That will also with me. So you're not going wow, we're flying. You're gonna go with the horse. Watch me, watch me.
That's not horse. That is cow farm.
Yeah. Who's there? Now, you see, he's watching myself. I'll say, oh, you.
Hi, Momo.
There is the cow farm. Oh, watch me.
Nice, it's smaller. Easy.
Sorry, it's a fish.
Yeah.
Are you coming so
Easy, public.
There.
I'm excited. Maybe Daddy will.
Daddy, look at that cow farm. Wow. Slowly, Tata. I want to see the cow.
Hi, Momo.
Chimomo. Jet ski. That is boat. And there is the island.
Teacher.
Thank you. That is our cottage.